This area is getting ready for the heifers from the other side. I want to show you the watering system. So when the cow presses, it gets water, then it closes automatically. They are all trained, they know how to use it. But this is getting a nice prep, and the heifers will be coming here. That one is ready, they will come here also. So far so good. Welcome to the farm. When we talk about hay, when we talk about food storage, this farm does not play. They do not play. They have a lot of acres on their name, and they produce their own hay. They produce their own silage. I will take you on the farm side so you can see what I'm talking about. That's hay. This go down goes all the way there, all for hay production and hay storage. That is the mix over there. We will go to check it out later, but in the meantime, these are the young ones. This is the next generation. These are wonderful heifers. Wonderful number 6182. Wonderful heifers. They're all chilling, water all the time. Come. One looks like she's into people. She came all the way from there. Just come say hi. Hi. That's the storage unit. These are mineral salts. They can suck nicely over here with their total mixed ratio. Very wonderfully mixed up for the cows to enjoy. This is good stuff. Average milk production 30 liters per day. Average. Some of them are doing 50. Most of them are doing 40. And they are enjoying their total mixed ratio. You can see it has silage inside here. It has wheat bran. It has maize germ and some mineral salts and some dry hay, all mixed up together to make a wonderful, wonderful combination. Hello, number 6345. Hi. Number 3110 is a very good one. She likes people. Hello. You guys are looking good. This one is massive. Same with that one. They are massive. I'm looking at the structure and you would see these blocks are heavy, but they can be used temporarily to fix if they want to create rooms. They are massive, but they interlock each other, and you have a very good variegation if you want to use it. On the land side, let me show you the massive land. Food production here, and of course you can see the CCTV cameras 24/7 accessible. I'm here. You can see the massive land. All this is for wheat. Goes all the way. All for wheat. Mama, this is silage. You see how they kept their silage? Yeah. They kept their silage in these big bags. They're very, very heavy bags. Come we see here. Come, I show you here. And that is a mixer, Mama. It's used for mixing. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's used for mixing. And now this one, this machine, it's used for getting the food outside. Eh?
Yeah, and
so the machine goes in, and then it gets the silage from there. It comes over here, and then it's loaded on the tractor. But all this is silage.
But what's inside the bag?
Inside the bags?
Yeah.
Inside the bags is silage. Even there, see there?
Yeah.
All that is silage. It's food for cows.
Silage is food for cows?
Yes. You know how they make silage?
No.
They cut the corn. You see that land over there?
Yeah.
They cut the corn.
Yeah.
You wanna go see the corn?
Yeah.
Come, let's go see the corn. So they cut the corn, and then after cutting the corn, they chop it into pieces, small pieces, and then they mix it up with some liquid. Mix it up nicely to make it ferment even better.
But which kind of liquid?
I will show you the liquid. Okay?
Okay.
And then they put in this plastic bag.
Yeah.
And then they press it, press to remove the air.
Yeah.
Once the air is...
hard work.
I know. It's not small work. Huh?
It feels like it's small work.
It feels like it's small work, but it's hard work. Huh? Come, I show you. That is the corn over there. So we have construction here ongoing. It will be used also for storage.
Yeah.
So we will be putting the silage here now.
Is the camera still recording?
Yeah. So you see, we still have some hay, and that is corn. You see all that? All that is corn. All to the top. And then some wheat.
Okay.
Yeah. But we will be putting the silage here. Once.
This looks like really little work.
It looks like little work, but it's big work, Mama. We are in the farm. Now let's talk about the machinery to run such a big farm, which is around 600 cows. Currently, they are milking around 300, if I'm not wrong, 300 cows with an average of around 30 liters per cow. Some are doing 50, some are doing 40. These are the machines. That's a big harvester, John Deere. We have this one's a forager, beautiful one. Big machine. You must have equipment to run this place. Have those tractors over there, you have the sprayer over there, and a few more tractors. That one can carry fuel. You must be prepared for such. That office here.